The TRADESAFE miniature circuit breaker lockout secures circuit breakers directly at the source, keeping equipment safely isolated during maintenance. Outward-facing pins allow this device to fit breaker toggles with hole spacing up to 3/8 inch. The push-button mechanism engages quickly and firmly, locking out single or multi-pole miniature breakers without the need for tools. Its body is molded from non-conductive, impact-resistant nylon, reducing the risk of shock while standing up to harsh job site conditions. A stainless steel pin engages the breaker toggle securely, providing the rugged reliability needed for repeated lockout use. Compact but robust, the lock measures 1 3/4 inches full body height with a 3/4 inch pin extension and a 9/32 inch shackle hole that fits standard safety padlocks. This breaker lockout is made to exceed OSHA standards, ensuring that once installed, breakers stay locked until authorized removal. TRADESAFE miniature circuit breaker lockout delivers reliable isolation and peace of mind for your lockout tagout procedures.